barbell banded wide / sumo squats. So as the name implies, we're going to do a wide stance with a monster band. Choose a band that lets you do the movement efficiently and effectively. So notice how I'm holding it. I'm going to place it across the middle part of the barbell, and then I can place one foot through one end, then the other. Once I do that, I will find the wide stance that fits best for me. So it has to start wider than your shoulders, and you can go wide, whatever works for you, but safety is number one. This is a wide sumo squat. So that means I have to squat literally. It's not a deadlift, so pushing my hips back and my knees aren't bending. My arms are stiff, and notice how wide my hands are. My arms are, they're not wide. From here, the barbell is above my feet. I inhale, I'm squatting, up, exhale, and then I'm down. Squat, 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 sitting on that low box. So as I mentioned before in my other band videos, the purpose of the band is speed. So unlike the other ones, the tempo may be slower. We're going to learn how to do this with all effort. We're going to go all out pretty much. That's about it. If you have any questions, message me. Enjoy the exercise.